In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not letting you verify your identity. If Cash App won't let you verify your identity, here are some possible fixes. So number one is you want to make sure you're entering the correct information whenever you are doing the verification process. Double check that your full name, date of birth, and social security number match your official government records. And also, here's the key. You want to use the same name that appears on your bank account and ID. Now, this commonly causes issues for other people. So you want to make sure that, again, that the same name appears on your bank account and ID as well. And also, when it comes to getting a clear and valid photo ID, you want to make sure that the photo is well lit and not blurry, and you want to make sure that the ID is not expired or damaged, because that actually could cause issues. And obviously, you want to ensure that you meet Cash App's age requirement, which is 18 years or older. So you need to be 18 years or older in order to actually verify your Cash App account. Otherwise, if you are below that age, then it is just not going to let you do anything. And also, you want to make sure that you are up to date with Cash App. So if you're on an Android, you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. But if you're on an iOS, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just look up Cash App. And make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Cash App, which I already do have. But again, you just want to make sure that it is up to date, because that could be causing the issue. Another thing that could be causing the issue is your internet connection. So what I recommend that you guys do is try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if any one of those actually gets the job done, because sometimes your Wi-Fi may not be in good condition right now. So I recommend that you guys use mobile data. And however, if you entered in all your information correctly, you're over the age of 18 and you're still running into issues, then what I personally recommend that you guys do is actually contact Cash App support. So to do that, I recommend that you guys go to the top right and select on your profile icon just like so. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that does say support. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it like so. And then where it says search, you want to go ahead and just look up verification. And then there you go. It's going to let you know all the information that you will need, common FAQs, common questions and stuff like that. It's going to let you know how to verify your account, what issues could be having. So for example, over here, we do have trouble verifying identity. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. And over here, it is also going to give you a long list of reasons why your account may not actually be working. So that's honestly a really cool feature that Cash App does offer. But if you're still running into issues, then what you could also do is just go ahead and actually contact someone on Cash App by just pressing on chat. So that is another great option. You guys could use something like x.com in order to actually message Cash App support for quick responses. So here's the official Cash App support Twitter. You guys can go ahead and actually drop them a message over here and basically explain your situation and explain to them that you're not able to verify your account. So that is another way that you guys can go ahead and contact Cash App customer support. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.